Hodgepodge leftover lunch. Enchilada filling. Baked beans. And this is coleslaw.
Laundry never ends. Alright, let's go see what the boys are doing upstairs. Sleeping away. Oh wow, super sleeping this one. Look how cute she looks. Totally out of it. Although her eyes are open, so it's kind of creepy. Taking a break?
The woodpecker. Meal time.
Meal time. I think she's pregnant there, or something.
She's wearing an apron.
I know, it's
she's wearing
kind of
nothing
weird.
but an apron.
I don't understand. How to be an amazing mom. Wear an apron.
Just be naked. Put the baby under the apron. What is it?
Open the card first, always.
Oh.
Let me teach you opening etiquette. Oh, that's a cute one.
Is that our baby?
It kind of looks like him. That's what he looks like when he's hungry. Put a boob in my mouth. Oh, that's so sweet of them. Oh, look at that little bib.
That's a cute bib. Cute. I'll wear it.
You'll wear it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think it's your size. That's really cute. Thanks, Carla. I like that a lot. This one comes with a tie that I just did not do officially.
Charles and Laura.
Oh yeah, I know who you're talking about.
Yeah.
I love the Berenstain Bears. I read this all the time as kids. I thought it was like the best. What's that cute card? Aww. That's so sweet of them. And we don't have like any burp racks. So this is actually perfect. This is awesome. Thank you to Charles and Laura for giving them to us. I really like them. This is going to be awesome.
Oh yeah, it suits you. You put one on your shoulder if you need to.
One for each.
Yeah.
Double it.
I got a card.
From who?
Menards.
Oh, Menards.
For my birthday. Happy birthday from Menards. What do I have to say? Said,
it's Tuesday.
wishing you a happy birthday. They sent me a coupon for a wooden flashlight. That's awesome.
That's cool.
Oh, I'm going to go get this. Wooden LED flashlight. That's happening. So today is kind of like more of a get stuff done kind of day. So Lindsay is upstairs doing thank yous, and I'm down here working, doing a little editing. So if you saw my behind the scenes video I did about making an Ask Matt, this time I am doing a build video. So this is the bassinet build, and my process is something like this. So I break up the video into sequences. So this is just a stock prep sequence, and I bring in all of my clips that I have about that. So this is all cutting up that slab and pulling out all the pieces for the bassinet. And this is almost 40 minutes of footage here that I can go through and cut down later. But right now what I'm doing is I go through and I watch what I have, and then I figure out the story I want to tell based on the footage I have. And I go over here and I write a script for the whole narration section. So this is all just for this sequence over here. And then I'll record this narration now. I just finished writing it for this sequence. And then I'll start editing these clips down so they match up and they flow nicely with the script or the narration. Oops. Earlier this year I found these walnut slabs listed on Craigslist. The tree these came from was planted by the grandfather of the gentleman that I bought them from. He planted the tree in the late 1930s, and this tree came down in the storm in 2008. They had the tree cut into lumber, and a gentleman I brought the slabs from, they had the tree cut into lumber, and the gentleman that I bought the slabs from used almost all of it for his own woodworking. He recently decided to get out of woodworking, so he sold his entire shop, and a few months later he decided to get rid of the last of the walnut to make space for other things. So that's the narration for the first part, and now I'll go back and actually start cutting it down to all the clips down to fit to that narration. I'll edit the narration down a bit, but right now the narration for this section is 5 minutes long, and once I cut out my mistakes from my speaking, and then maybe I'll extend some parts that don't have any talking, this section should be around 6 minutes or so. I'm hoping to get this whole video into one video, or this whole project into one video, but we'll see how that goes. So I'm out taking Pancake for a walk, and I thought I'd show this little, I guess it's the park by our house. I know Steve had commented about the wetlands here a few days ago, but so this is our house right there. That's my truck, and there's our back door, and this is like a little marsh area right behind our house there. And then over here is a nice big wooded area. This is where I shot the identifying cherry trees video, right in this woods here. And then start with the sun. So then this is like a big park area. There's some fields, and then back over there, there's some playground equipment and stuff, and a pavilion. And it's just some fields, nice big open space, some trees, and there's a baseball field there, and that's an elementary school right there. My sister just got to town, and I'm gonna go pick up some pizza for us. Taking the wife's car. Got the pizza, and I'm heading back now. It's always fun to stop into Papa John's because I used to work at a Papa John's when I was in high school. I worked there for 3 years. Made a lot of pizzas. Thousands and thousands of pizzas I've made in my life. What do you want to eat?
Why don't we...
Dining room? Perfect.
Yeah, let's do that.
Dining room.
You're vlogging?
Pizza. That's my sister.
Hello.
That's Nicole.
I got to meet JR finally, but he's been sleeping the whole time.
There's Ben.
Here, Matt and I'll share this one.
He's with
You
her.
guys can share that one.
Good luck at the door.
I don't
got
know how
this.
to do this.
Well, Lindsay obviously got pissed off one day and just went through it.
How do you do it?
You just do this.
Alright, yeah, that's all you do. That's
I don't
a
know
window.
how to do this.
Let me have another crack at it. I think you just gotta be...
I think you just gotta be smart. So
No, oh, it's almost there. Turn the camera on.
This is bull.
Stuck forever. So I can do it one-handed.
That was stupid. Okay, bye. Love you.
You made that look so easy.
It is easy.
I'm not closing it now.
It's a theft deterrent.
I'm not closing it now.
Bye.
Goodbye. Potty time. You look so funny.